Hey guys, I'm Brad.
I'm Bruce.
Welcome to Nighthawk Gliders. Hey, here we have another special guest. His name's Karl, and he has built something way cool. I can't believe it. This is a gigantic GUILLO'S, what is it, Sky Streak.
Mm-hmm.
So you got the smaller version, right? So you were kind of modeling off of that?
Yes.
You just 100% scale up?
I don't even know what the percentage is. I went with what the golf.
Well, it wouldn't be 100%,
shaft.
but you scaled it up, and it's all proportions are the same, I guess is what I'm saying. Yeah.
I was working for that, yeah.
And what I love about it is the fact that you got like the clip with the, you know, the prop right there, and that's just going to spin when you fly, right?
It's going to spin, we hope. Doesn't get caught up. It's sacrificial. It's going to die on the landing, but that's okay.
It probably will. Okay, Karl, we'll see you on the flight line.
Excellent.
This is awesome.
Thanks. It's fun board. He's got the real thing. Isn't that cool?
That's a photo op if I ever saw one. Hold on right there.
I went through many of those growing up. Yeah, that's what inspired me. Yeah, yeah. I'm on the French fries today. Yeah. Probably wouldn't be missed if somebody lost. We'll talk to him. Thanks, Lester.
All right, sir.
GUILLO'S 10,000. Yes. That is awesome. Totally scaled up GUILLO'S Sky Shark. Whoa. Whoa. That's a little scary. Oh! All right. A little bit of super glue, fix that right up. Karl, that was worth it. Nice.
A little twist action.
Thank you.
Hey, super glue will fix it.
Yes, a little duct tape, a little hot glue.
Yeah, also super glue. That's
Success.
what you need.
Yes.
Yes.
Success.
Nice.
Dude, I'm sorry, I hit my head on the way by and it gave me a twerk on, but I that's my bad, I forgot.
Oh, it's all good. That's awesome, dude. How much you did. That's so cool, dude. You crushed it, man.
Thank you.
Well played, my friend.
Awesome.
Look at that inspiration station right there. Inspiration station.
Love it.
Love it, guys.
All right, that was pretty good, man.